we are talking about thinking outside the box. So what have you done lately regarding thinking outside the box? Anyway, one of the reasons I do things that are outside my comfort zone is to keep the juices flowing. You know, anytime you feel any form of stagnation or you're in a routine of some sort, do something that's outside your usual routine. For example, take a different route. You know, maybe choose to wake up at a different time. Try new foods. Tour, go to a different place, maybe a museum. That way, you're not redundant. Even small things like reorganizing the furniture in your home will make you think different and start seeing things in a new way. And this is very important if you're trying to have some kind of business, you know, or to create something. Usually we get stuck because we think we have no choice or we have no way out. But that is not true. There is always a way out. We always have choices, and you can combine two different things from two different industries to make something happen, and that should be fine. So allow your creative juices to flow by thinking outside the box. You're trying to do something, right? But you're stuck. Why don't you visit a different industry and see what they're doing? Just go with an open mind. It's funny how our brains work. They'll combine things from different areas to give you a solution that you desire. So I'm encouraging you today, think outside the box, do something out of the ordinary so that you get the solutions you need. As always, this is Mother Eagle. Leave me